Here's how to play Clash Royale on school iPad. On your iPad, go ahead and click on the settings icon and then go to the search option and search for the content and privacy restrictions. Now, once you're already on the content and privacy restrictions, what you need to do is to make sure that the content and privacy restrictions buttons are turned on and click on the Allowed app and features. So once you have already downloaded the Clash Royale, make sure that the toggle button on the Clash Royale is turned on. So as for me, we can't see Clash Royale since I haven't downloaded it. You can also go to App Store Media and Web Games and make sure that it is under the unrestricted web content so that you can enjoy every features of the Clash Royale. Once you make sure that there are no restrictions on the content and restrictions privacy of your school iPad, go to the App Store and search for Clash Royale and you can now go ahead and install and play the game. So this is what it looks like to have a Clash Royale. Click on the Get options and now you can sign in and play.